Hey guys, so now that you've purchased your JASPR Roll Top Day Hiker, you're going to first receive an email that's going to include a PDF document and probably a QR code to link to the videos, which, well, you're here now, so welcome. So first off though, that PDF document, it's going to come with a full table of contents. It's identifying each and every piece to make sure you have everything you do or will need. It's also going to come with the harness sizing guide. Super important on this one. We really want to make sure once you get to that lesson that you're going to be following along with this. So make sure to reference that in time. And then on the next pages, you're going to have a series of graphics that are showing the panels, you know, all the placement notches, etc. And it's going to identify each and every component for you as a visual guide for future lessons as well. So now that you've gone through your email, make sure you have it and reviewed your PDF document, well, you're going to get a box like this. So inside this box, you're going to have obviously your full kit. So you're going to have all your different rolls of fabric separated by material type, okay? So you want to keep those somewhat organized for accessing in the future and quickly identifying the panel you need. You're going to have your web, you're going to have your zipper chain, you're going to have all your hardware, your foam for your harness, your JASPR labels, as well as you're going to be getting your foam backer, your plastic for the back as well to give some structure to the bag. So, please pay attention as we go through these lessons. We've really tried to set up this curriculum in a way that no matter what skill level you are, whether it's your first backpack or your 10th backpack, or maybe it's your first time sewing, whatever your skill level, we've really tried to set this up to where you can be a success. That's what JASPR is about, is making you a success with what you choose to build. We're just happy to be able to help you along your way and be part of that journey with you. So thank you very much.